Hi friends, welcome to Lifestyle Lakshmi. In this video, I want to show you tricolor puri and tricolor sabji. I used to prepare this on every Independence Day and I prepare this when I have guests at home also. It takes a little more time, but whoever tasted this dish, they remember its taste and they ask me to prepare when they come next time. Very tasty and healthy. This is my son's favorite dish also. This video is so special for me because today is my son's birthday. Right now he is in Ireland. I missed the opportunity to treat him. So I am dedicating this video to my son. Before going further, those who are watching this video, please subscribe so you will not miss any of my videos. Thank you. Wash and clean a bunch of spinach and keep it in oven for a minute. As soon as it gets cool, grind it and mix it with a small piece of chili and with less water. Strain it and keep it aside. Now green puree is ready. Now grate carrot pieces and quarter spoon of red chili powder with less water. Then strain it and keep it aside. Now carrot puree is ready. Now in a basin, add 2 cups of wheat flour and 3/4 cup of rava and mix it with salt and oil. After mixing well, divide it into 3 equal portions. Now take 1 portion of flour, add water and knead it like a chapati dough. Now take a second portion of the flour and add spinach puree, mix it well and keep it aside. Now add carrot puree with the third portion of the flour, mix it well and keep it aside. Now 3-color dough is ready. Keep it as it is for minimum half an hour. After half an hour, take the green color dough and roll it like this. Next, roll the white color dough and keep it over the green dough. In the same way, keep the saffron color dough over the white dough. See now, it looks so attractive with 3 different colors. Now, cut into small pieces. Wow, it looks so attractive and awesome with the 3 different colors. Each piece looks like this. Now, take one by one and start spreading like chapati. Now, fry them in oil one by one. Wow, how nicely it is puffing up. Now, tricolor puri is ready to eat. All of you please try it at home. You will be enjoying eating. Now next item, let us see how to do the 3-color vegetable sabji now. Tricolor sabji is very good combination with tricolor puri. For this sabji, I have taken green peas, carrot and aloo. Boil these 3 vegetables in a pan with little salt for about 6 to 8 minutes. I have showed the ingredients here for frying. Now, in a kadai, do the seasoning with lavang, cinnamon, green chilies, cardamom, bay leaf, and jeera. After that, you have to fry with a cup of onion, cut onion, fry it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add tomatoes and again you fry it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now vegetables are boiled, ready to use. Now we have to blend it for gravy. Ingredients I have given here. In a mixie, add coconut, cashew nuts, ginger pieces, 2 chilies, khaskhas, jeera. Add these ingredients and blend it well. When onion and tomato got fried, add salt, garam masala, then sabji masala, add turmeric also, then mix it well. Now add boiled vegetables also into it and mix it well again for another 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, add coconut gravy also into it. Now add little more salt if required. At last, add 2 spoons of dry methi leaves and add 2 spoons of ghee also. Now, sabji also ready. All of you please try it at home. Really you will be doing again and again. All of you subscribe my channel without fail and press the bell button for the notification. Thank you all.